Welcome. In this video I will show you how to install Android apps from Google Play Store on your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. First of all, let's make sure we have a stable Wi-Fi connection. Open the control center, check your Wi-Fi and make sure that you are connected to the stable Wi-Fi network. If not, switch to it. After that, open the launcher menu in the bottom left corner of your screen and go to Google Play Store. Now here we can check out the applications we can install on this laptop. As you can see, it supports most, if not all, Android applications. So we can select any that we like and click install on the applications page. Then just wait until this application is installed and ready to run on our PC. Once the application is installed, we'll be able to find it in the launcher menu. It will be the first one on the list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.